forest animals. Bear. The bear loves to eat. Beaver. The beaver makes water dams. What animal photo is this? It's a deer. Deer. The deer eats plants. We're visiting the forest today. What's behind the curtain here? It's a fox. Fox. The fox is very smart. What animal makes this sound? It's a duck. Duck. The duck swims in the stream. Hawk. The hawk loves to fly above. Rabbit. The rabbit hops around. What animal is hiding here? It's a squirrel. Squirrel. The squirrel climbs trees. Thanks for looking at the forest animals today. Come back again soon.